Welcome, today in front of me Sony Xperia Pro-I, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first we should go into the Play Store application, and then in the search pool enter here the green Apple keyboard. And now how to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while the application downloading and then installing on your device. Now just open the app, click here enabling settings, and near the green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap OK, again OK. Now just go back, click switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the English United States keyboard, and as can you see the process is finished right now. And now we'll go somewhere, for example into the search in apps menu, and here we can see the look of our new device keyboard, and as can you see this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.